Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I am recreating the same resin I did the other day for the gold and black women's body mold statue, but today I'm doing this for myself and I'm gonna try silver. So I'm also doing coasters, so I'm using a little bit of resin from here from the coasters and adding silver to it. I know this is like a lot of mica powder for something so small. This was about like 50 milliliters, but I want it to be like very intense silver, which I think I achieved very well. And you know what, it's like it takes a long time to make resin. It's a lot of mixing and patience and getting the bubbles out, but I'm trying to cut the videos for as short as possible. Because oh, did you see that? Everyone's nightmare. But it's okay. I was able to reuse this, and I'm only applying the silver to half of the body. So I'm trying to recreate that gold thing I did with the other one, which was an accident. And now instead of just using the silicone mat, I also put sandwich wrap, a plastic thing on top of the silicone mat, so whenever I'm done I can just easily lift it and throw it instead of cleaning off the silicone. It's so much easier. Okay, so I know I've learned that it kind of spills out on the legs because it's not straight in gravity, so I am mounting this on a little piece of glue so it kind of just lays down there. Next day I made another 50 milliliter resin, and I'm adding the same blackish silver to this. A little spoon, a little bit more, and I've noticed, I mentioned this in the other video, I noticed that whenever I add mica powder to it, when I start mixing, there's not as many bubbles as if I mix very fast just the regular resin without any colors to it. So bubbles, hit it with the heat gun, done. And also the bubbles come up much more easier when there's also resin mixed into, no, when there's mica powder mixed into the resin. Just pouring that in, and then I'm gonna hit the top again with the heat gun because bubbles are still rising. And then I'm just gonna let this sit overnight. And the resin I'm using, I'll put a link down below. It's a new brand of resin I've been trying, and it's worked so much better than the previous resin I was using, because the previous resin I was using was a year later is bending, and this one is not, because I made coasters and it turned out so good. Okay, let's take this apart. I'm gonna have to sand down a little bit on the side, but that's okay. Here too. Oh, the butt. I'm trying to go as gentle as I can. This is a really good quality mold, but oh my god, hold on. I got stuck. The shoulders got stuck. Okay. Whew. So this is it. I love it. I don't even know what I like more, the gold or the silver one. Let me sand it down really quick, and then we can make her stand. Here it is. Beautiful silver color. I did the same kind of silverish black on this one, just like the gold one. Came out very nice, very shiny. The mica powder worked very, very well. I'm loving it. It's very interesting. And there's no... Oh, there was a big bubble on her armpit, but that's okay. That too. It looks very good. I'm loving it. Okay, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And I've also made these coasters. That is a separate video. Have a fantastic rest of the day.